Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. I would like to start by introducing myself. For those who don't know me, my name is Muhammad Raja Aiman bin Pandi from Apple California Company. In today's presentation, I would like to explain to you about our new product, which is iPhone 12. My presentation is particularly relevant to those of you who is a technology enthusiast. First of all, I will talk about the design. The design is edge design. The all glass front and glass back panel are held together with an aluminum frame. At the front of the iPhone 12 models, there's a notch at the front. There's also a lightning port that can be charging. At the back of the iPhone, there's a square-shaped camera bump. The iPhone is available in a 6.1-inch size. The iPhone 12 comes in white and black. The iPhone 12 have a water-resistant rating of IP68. We have looked at the design of iPhone 12. We will come back to this point later after we talk about display of iPhone 12. Now let us take a look of A14 Bionic chip. The A14 Bionic chip is used across the iPhone 12 lineup. Is the first A-series chip built on a smaller 5nm process, which brings speed and efficiency improvement. The A14 feature 40% more transistor, that is 11.8 billion transistor in the chip. According to Apple, the 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU in the A14 Bionic chip is 50% faster than any other top smartphone chip on the market in 2020. As an illustration, like Samsung. Moving to the next part, I would like to take a look to camera and Face ID. The iPhone 12 use Face ID. Face ID components are housed in the camera system in the display notch. The Face ID is used across FOS tasks for unlocking the iPhone and many more. Face ID works through a set of sensor and camera. So much for Face ID and camera. I want to go to battery life. Certification and teardown have confirmed that the iPhone has a 5000 mAh. We have take a look for battery life. Now turning to 5G connectivity. The benefit of 5G connectivity is 5G allows for faster download and upload speeds, which speeds up everything from loading website to loading TV show and movie. That's all for 5G connectivity. The next idea that I would like to focus on is other feature. The iPhone 12 start with 64GB of storage, 256GB and 512GB available as upgrade option. The iPhone 12 model have a built-in magnetic ring that is designed to work with a MagSafe. The iPhone do not come with a power adapter or earpod in the box, as Apple eliminated them to lower its environmental impact. The new iPhone shipped in a smaller, slimmer box and come with just a standard USB-C to Lightning cable. So much for the other feature. Will this bring me to the end of my presentation? My recommendation are this phone is relevant to technology enthusiasts. There are a lot of benefit you can get from this phone. So I will recommend if you want to use it for long term because of high-end technology they're used for built for it. The price is only RM 3,400 for 64GB, RM 4,000 for 256GB, and RM 5,000 for 512GB. It comes with 2 years warranty for every single purchase. So what are you waiting for? Grab it fast because it is selling fast. Finally, I did like to finish by thanking you for your attention. So thank you.